Hi, Monica here. Let's make some air-fried potatoes. Here are baby potatoes, olive oil, and air fryer. I only need 500 grams potatoes and 8 grams of olive oil. Prepare salt water. Peel off the skin. Let them stay in salt water to prevent them turning into brown color. Drain out the water. After 20 minutes, coat the dry potatoes with olive oil. Shake and flip them to make sure all of them are finely coated. Put into the fryer. Set it for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius for half-cooked potatoes. If you want a full cooked and crunchy potatoes, set the timer to 25 minutes. Shake them halfway through to avoid them stick on the base. Just a gentle reminder, guys. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not, please do subscribe, okay? It's done! Thanks much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please like, share, and comment down below. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not done it. See you in my next cooking.